This is John with WTI, and I have a pretty much old car, I would say. It's a Honda Civic 2003, and it's a little bit scratched. The paint has been a little bit mistreated by the previous owner, but right now with this Formula One polish, is going to look, or is looking so much better now. What I did is that yesterday I took a nice clean, a deep clean to the car, and with the applicator that is inside of this package, this wax is a nice wax. I just put a little bit of it and it's try to put it in circles around the car. What this is gonna do is gonna bring out the shine of the paint, and not only that, in my country lately it's raining a lot, so the water marks and these little things that the water is gonna do to your car, what it does is that it breads over to the different places. It's effective, it's really nice, and people are gonna be giving you compliments to your car. So this was John with WTI, and that was my point of view.